Hey guys, welcome back to the lab. So we got all our peaches here. So what we first do when we bring them in is we put them in order on the tray. 5 fruit for the distractive purposes here, and then 5 for the organoleptic. For the organoleptic, we will take pictures of them. And so pictures we have are horizontal cut, a longitudinal cut, transverse. And then we do the tip end, the stem end up, the cheek, and the suture. So we get all parts of the peach in our picture. Next, for the distractive purposes, we have our 5 fruit in order. This is cornet right here. And we have a diameter that we use. It's not with us right now. But what we do is we take a reading on each cheek, and it basically quantifies the amount of chlorophyll that's in the peach. And so we can tell at what stage of ripeness the peaches we're analyzing are. Next, after the diameter, we use a chromometer to measure the background color, which in this case, the background color is probably a yellow. And so we would take a reading on the background color for all 5, and this measures LAB, so it quantifies the color content. Next, after the chromometer, we will be taking the chroma of the blush to the highest amount of blush, but we do that later. So next what we do is we take it here on the FTA, and we measure the weight of all 5 fruit. Alright, just so. Next, we measure the diameter of the fruit, and we'll do that for all 5 of them. I'm just going to show you a couple just to show. Okay? And then next, I'll take slices of each on the cheek. Just do a couple, and then we will be taking the chromometer, the flesh color, once again. This quantifies the color in the flesh this time. And then after we do that, then we take it to the penetrometer, and we measure the firmness of the fruit on both cheeks. Alright, and then next we take it over here. We take the slices. We do a slice from each peach. So we get 5 longitudinal slices. Grab the cup, and we juice them out. Then next we bring the juice over here, where we take the bricks recorded with cornet. It seems like we have 7.9, which is not very good, but that's okay. Next, what we do is we measure out 6 grams of the juice. So I got my 6 grams right here. And then we add 50 milliliters of water to this before we put it on the titer sampler. So it's just 2 pushes with this, because this is measured out for 25 milliliters each time. Next, we take the sample over here to the titer sampler. We place them on here in order, and once we get 10 of them, then we'll be running the titer sampler that's going to measure the initial pH and also the malic acid content for us. Well, that's all for the distractive purposes. I'll be seeing you guys soon to talk you through the organoleptics.